Now come here. Beautiful marine girl. Beautiful babe. How many times have you come here? Twice.
Twice, sir.
Twice.
Yes, sir.
There is a big ring in your vagina. Look at me, babe. Babe. Anytime you remove it, you must put it back. Anytime you remove that ring from your private, something you will be uncomfortable until you put it back.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
You will have died December 4th. That is your time to die. You're a queen in the marine world. Are you aware you are marine?
Many prophets have told me about that, but I doubt it.
Oh, many prophets have told you?
Yes, sir.
Oh, my gosh. Oh, my goodness. Oh, Ebuka Obi, Ebuka Obi. She will die next month if she's not here today. Now open your mouth. Are you ready for Jesus? Before I finish your deliverance, you will go back. You will go to the bedroom and remove the ring in your private part. Let her go. Fire! 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 Big python. Mechibuku. Big ring in the private part. I can't remember see what I'm ring. What I'm making. Ringing can on a private part. I won't rock your neighbor. After deliverance now, they will all block my way. This is what I'm seeing. If I'm going home now, they will block me. Dwarf spirit everywhere. Whenever you are sleeping, I used to be awake. After fire, do you know what I used to pass through? Demons coming to meet me every day, warning me. Physically, I will be seeing them the way I see you. Young lady, today, what I call swallow different accident. She have sucked more than 52 bloods. It's not her fault. Well, let the female worker take her to the bedroom.